Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today, we're going to be talking about another carryover model from Harley-Davidson 2024 Low Rider ST, coming in at $28,899. Last year's model was $27,649, difference of $1,250. However, you got to keep in mind the surcharge is no longer there. However, the base paint of Vivid Black has been bumped. It's going to cost you some extra money. So Billiard Gray is the base, and well, the Low Rider ST looks great in this paint. However, Vivid Black, it does look good, but it's going to cost you an additional $700 this time around. So, well, it's not really that big of a deal. Moving right along, Red Rock. Yeah, still haven't decided on whether or not that is actually going to be a good color or not. You know, Red Rover. We call Red Rock over. No, I'm still not convinced I want Red Rock to come over. So, you know, looking at the photos online, especially the Low Rider ST with the fairing, you know, using that 360 view on the website, looking at the bike, I mean, it does look good, and I know it's not going to be exactly the same, and maybe it'll look way better in person, who knows, but El Diablo, anyone? Yeah, so for those of you guys who missed out on buying the El Diablo, this might actually be your second chance to own a red Lowrider ST. I'm not joking, seriously. If the paint is as nice as I think it's going to be, buy the Red Rock, an additional $900. Buy it. Maybe add some pinstriping. Ooh, gold pinstripe. Yes. Gold or maybe a slightly different red. Do some pinstriping on the bike. And maybe some black accents as well. And you will more or less have an El Diablo. Mind you, the tank graphic won't be the same. You won't have the little devil horns and the tail on it. But I don't think that's too relevant, considering it's really difficult to get your hands on an El Diablo. And I think we sold one, maybe two, I don't remember now. But they're still very, very rare. And I think we still actually had someone asking for one, and we couldn't get it. So Red Rock might actually be someone's second chance at owning an El Diablo. Yes, just putting that out there. Maybe it's going to give you guys some ideas on what to do with your bikes when you get them. Now, ABS, security, and cruise control all standard on this bike, and that is it. This is a carryover model, guys. These are quick videos. So I don't know what you were expecting. I don't know if you want me to go off on a tangent again about the Fat Bob. No, not this video, not yet. I'm gonna wait. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the Low Rider ST. Are you guys okay with the price going up a little bit? Are you okay with the Billiard Gray being a base model? Are you guys actually super happy about that? It doesn't cost you extra money? Are you guys disappointed in Vivid Black costing extra money? And do you guys agree that you could convert a Red Rock Lowrider ST into a El Diablo? I don't even know what that would be. I don't know what the terminology would be for that. But do you think that you could do a conversion for the Red Rock over to an El Diablo? Yeah. Inspired. It's a clone. That is the word. An El Diablo clone. Yes. So, using Red Rock on a Lowrider ST, you can make an El Diablo clone. Yes. There we go. Great way to end this video. Hopefully you guys liked this one. If you did, smash that like button so I know that it's working. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future carryover model videos. Leading up to the end of this month, January 24th, Harley-Davidson is coming out with tons of news, new models, new features, or new models with new features. I think that's what it is. Carryover models generally don't have any major changes to them, so I am anticipating big changes on those models that are not listed currently on the website. And yeah, again, I'm crossing my fingers that the Fat Bob has a... Sorry, I'm not going to mention that in this video. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.